Hello everybody, how do you do? Welcome back to another video of the Roadhouse cocktails, where in this video I'm going to show you how to make super fast twist on Long Island iced tea. And maybe it's not a twist, but it's a cocktail called Beverly Hills iced tea. Let's get it started. So we're gonna need our highball glass full of ice. There we go. First ingredient will be 12.5 vodka. There we go. 12.5 rum. 12.5 of gin. Now 6.25 tequila triple sec and 50 ml of sweet and sour. Now we're gonna shake it slightly. Now we're gonna put everything back into the glass and we're gonna top it up with beautiful prosecco. Just a slightly top. Now crazy lemon. There we go. Poof. And get wasted with your Beverly Hills iced tea. So let me explain what I did when I was making this cocktail. I love to flair and I love to go really fast, so you don't need to go straight away and pour everything, but you can do it nicely and fast and with the style. So we're gonna need our glass, so I'm gonna just pick it up the glass just like that, how you see it, or maybe you got the glasses stacked on each other. So I'm just gonna slightly lift it and from this position throw it into my bag, into this hand behind my back for a double spin, and it looks like this. You're gonna catch it just like this, then you're gonna nicely fill up. After you fill up with the ice, then we're going to put all the ingredients together. So first will be vodka. So you do a nicely 12.5 just like this, twist around it, all right, and bottleneck holding between your middle finger and ring finger. Okay, so you can do twist, and with these two fingers, the small finger and the ring finger, you can push it up. So it's gonna look like this. Okay, let's do it faster. So it's with the style. 1, 2, bounce. As soon as you put that back, now you do a nicely double spin from a left hand to the right hand, and looks like this. There you go. Now I'm gonna pick up the rum. Nicely 12.5, showing customers there is coming another liquid in there, booze, and now we're going, we have 25 ml there. Now we're going again double spin from one hand to the other with 25 ml. Just be careful. Let's try it. There we go. Now we're gonna go from the rail with our gin into elbow stall from the flat throw, and then bounce it into the half spin into a pour, and it looks like this. There we go. Now we're gonna put our shaker on a bar top because we're gonna use both hands. We're gonna take our triple sec tequila, that's both goes 6.25, and 50 ml of sweet and sour. So we're gonna do a dash and 4 count of this, or however you wanna count it. So it's gonna look like this. Now we're gonna put everything back. Now we take the glass, because this is a party drink. Slightly shake it. And now it does a trick. You're gonna put a straw together with this mix. All together. Alright. And now just flat throw, push. Pouring the prosecco on top of it, or champagne. There you go. And now we're gonna get to the crazy lemon and throw it in there. Poof. Why did I do with the straw first when I was putting everything together? Because this is a party drink, no one wants prosecco, everyone wants just a boost, and at the end you might gonna get prosecco, it hits you in the head and you're gonna go crazy. That's just my opinion, but anyway, everybody will mix it and just mix it with a straw if you see someone really nice. And that's a really dangerous cocktail. I recommend that, just few of them, but in a high volume bars. So enjoy your, oh no, get wasted with your Beverly Hills iced tea. Thanks for watching. My name is Sikky, and here is the link to subscribe. If you do like my videos, do that, and also ring that bell so you're gonna get notified for my new upcoming videos. Till next time, be awesome, keep practicing, keep drinking, and see you next Tuesday.